Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Salsa VIDEO Moves. And today once more we have a nice footwork sequence or routine if you like. I like to call them choreos or combinations. And if you're a lower level student, you can check out for improver level footwork in the playlist that I have. It's in the info card here. And if you also like to see this to music, the first link in the description and also in the info cards right here. Let's get started. Alright, we start off with a basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We swivel in into the toe, swivel out to the toe, and out with the inside edge of the toe. That's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Close on 4, 5, 6. Same thing on the right. 7. We repeat that once more, closing on 8. 1, 2, 3. Notice the pivot of the hip, just like we're doing ballroom. Okay, or in the cha-cha. This does not work so well for salsa, but you can use it as part of your moves. Any background you have, that's why it's called salsa. So after this, we're going to do the drop Suzy Q, which is a regular Suzy Q. I'm jumping down on 3 where there's a partially accent, not as strong as the 1, but 1, 2, drop, 1, 2, drop, repeat, 1, 2, drop, and 1, 2, drop. Half a basic forward. Now open up the feet, drag them in. Alright, now this, if it's a little bit hard, make sure you take off your shoes and stay with socks so it's more slippery and the inside of the legs gets stronger. You can start by jumping little by little, then having small distance to close, then make it bigger and it looks nicer. Then we jump 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, reverse wave. Now we're going to do the same thing, but before that, a little quick Suzy Q to hit on 3, so these are a little bit quicker. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the shimmy. Now cha-cha forward steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Forward 1, 2. Grab your body into 1.5, almost a double, I would say. Now a little bit rumba. Step down, open the hands. Forward, up, then to your side, then to your side. In this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Little bit pachanga, but big and slow, smaller. Switch and 1. Let me count this. From here, we jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elbow, elbow, down. And into your basic. Sorry for the heavy breath, guys. I haven't switched off the air condition this time. I know it might be a little bit annoying having it in the background, but it's daytime, it has better quality video. And that's the footwork. I hope you like it, but I did switch off the fan. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm dripping right now. Ew, I know, disgusting. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a comment, not about the disgusting part, but about the footwork itself. And if you like more of this style, or if you like a more low level to explain something like the Suzy Q, which I don't really explain because that is one of the standard steps that are out there. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like, also check out my Patreon page. We have already 3 Patreons. Come become number 4. Bye bye.